welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we are going to be doing a beautiful pink festive look, and pink literally goes with every single outfit, so it's going to be such a staple. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. As I've already prepped my skin with my moisturizer as well as toner, so now I'm going to be priming my face, and for that I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I always put my primer right on my eyes as well, so just to hydrate them, because my eyes are very dry, so they get peaky very easily when you apply the concealer. So, yeah. After using this primer, you have to wait like a few minutes for it to like sink in and to activate its grippiness. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brow lift. I'm just taking some and brushing it through my brows. Now for color correcting our face, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Full Wear Concealer. Guys, now I'm just going to blend this up, and I just use very little amount of color corrector because you just don't even need a lot of correct color corrector on your face. Okay, guys, next for our skin tint, I'm going to be using this Kiro Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. As usual, I always mix this with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So I'm just going to first place it on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out. Just like that. Just going to blend this all over my face. Next for the concealer, I'm going to be using this KVD's HD Liquid Concealer. And I'm just trying to brighten my under eyes with this. I'm going to put it on my nose. Alright, now I'm just going to blend this. Guys, now for the blush, I'm gonna be using this Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. It's in the shade Bitten. Just like that. I'm just taking some red on my nose as well. Just blending it out right here as well. Now I'm gonna be setting my face with this KVD's translucent powder. And I'm just going to set my face with this. It really is such a beautiful translucent powder. Set my entire face with it. Now for the bronzer, I'm gonna be using this Sugar's Contour de Force bronzer. I'm just going to bronze my face. Okay, next for the eyes, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette. It's in the shade Very Bad. So I'm just going to take that lighter shade. I'm just going to put it all over my lids, just like so. I'm just going to do the same on my other eyes as well. I'm also just going to take the same shade and I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm actually going to cut my crease and I'm just going to take my concealer. Now I'm just going to cut my crease with this. And I'm just going to do the same on my other side. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the cut crease with my loose setting powder. Just like so. And now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be taking the same shade that I took for all over my eyelid and I'm just going to blend this concealer out so it doesn't look too harsh. With my flat brush, I'm going to be taking the darker shade from this palette and I'm going to just use this and put it right on my outer corners, just like that, near my lash line actually. I'm just going to blend it like so. After that, I'm going to be using the same shade and just put it on my lower lash line, but it's just on the outer corners. What I'm gonna be doing now is I'm gonna be taking this beautiful romance. It's their Better Than palette. It's called Light and Glitter Garden, and from this lightest shade right here. So with this, I'm gonna be outlining the cut crease that we created. Just like that. I think it looks so beautiful, so I'm just going to do the same on my other eyes as well. Yes, just like that. It looks so beautiful, as you can see. It looks so pretty and just lovely. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be taking the same eyeliner brush and I'm just going to line my under corners right here as well. Just like them. Okay, so next for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. Before that, I'm just going to curl my lashes. As for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this highlighter from K Beauty. It's in the shade Frosted Eyes. Highlight my face with this. Such an amazing highlighter. Put this highlighter onto my brow bone, just like so. I'm going to do the same on my other eyes. And I'm also going to take some and put it on my nose. And right on the center of my brows, just like that. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna be using this Ink Velvet from Peri Pera. It's in the shade just going to put it right on there. inwards and not on the outwards, and I'm just going to blend it out. In the last, I'm just going to be using this Dewy Cognac Setting Mist from e.l.f. I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Oh guys, so I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.